How does Ijarah work for Islamic mortgages? Imagine buying a home without paying interest or riba. That's what Ijarah offers in Islamic home financing. It's a way to finance a house while sticking to Islamic rules. In this method, a financial institution, called the lessor, first purchases the property. They keep legal ownership during the process. The client or lessee then enters into a lease agreement with the financier. The client starts using the property right away, paying regular rent. These rent payments are fixed, making it easier to plan your budget. Part of each rent payment goes toward gradually transferring ownership to the client. This process is called Ijarah Muntahiyah bil Tamlik, which means a lease ending with ownership transfer. The client has the option to buy the property at the end of the lease, but they are not forced to do so. Usually, the purchase price is set at the start, based on the original property price minus any down payment, plus a small nominal amount like $1. During the lease period, the financier still owns the property. This means they share the risk of ownership until the client completes all payments. The lease terms can be customized, including how long the lease lasts and how often payments are made. Some agreements might last for 10, 15, or 20 years, depending on what suits both parties. The main benefit of Ijarah is that it avoids interest, which is not allowed in Islamic finance. Instead, the profit for the financier comes from the rent paid by the client. The client can use the house immediately, like a tenant, but also works toward owning it fully. This makes Ijarah a popular choice for Muslims who want to buy a home without compromising their faith. In the end, Ijarah for Islamic mortgages is a lease-to-own plan that keeps everything transparent and fair. The financier buys the property, leases it to the client, and the client makes regular payments that lead to full ownership. It's a simple, Sharia-compliant way to achieve homeownership while respecting Islamic rules.